everyone, welcome back again to my channel. This is Meche Bett&win. I have this trick that is working perfectly now. So all you need to do, just chat me on WhatsApp with my number. I'll first give you the game, but the odds comes like 1.66 or 1.56 odd. I'll just give you for free for the first time. When it win, maybe you can stake any amount on it. When it win, then you will not believe that the odd is working perfectly. Then you can pay for the games. So this, for the first time, I'll give you the game for free. So just chat me on WhatsApp 07036760527. I repeat, WhatsApp number is 07036760527. The game is free for the first time, just to show you these tricks that I'm talking about. I just find it out recently, so I'm not going to post it here, but if you need it, just chat me on WhatsApp. Just one game, the only one game that is 1.50 something or 1.60 something odd. So it's not up to 2 odd, but it's very, very sure. You can stake any amount on it. So for the first time, just for you to test it. If you win it, you can pay for the rest of the year. Add more games to it that can even reach like 3 odd or more. So just chat me on WhatsApp on 07036760527.